Hey, this is Yogeshkumar Rathod. I welcome you all to my lecture on information technology, Cisco CCNA. To set IP address on interface, you have to type IP address and subnet mask. First slot number, second zero represent interface number. To give secondary IP address, you have to type IP address, subnet mask, and then write secondary. There are various banners: message of the day banner, login banner, exec banner. To save configuration from RAM to NVRAM, in configuration mode, uh, you have to type copy, run, start, or write memory. Or to erase configuration, erase startup config. There are three passwords. One is console mode password, another is telnet password, and the third one is auxiliary password. I will give you more information later. Thanking you.